idea is use like standard, no, it's not standard, this is third row car seat as a sitting bench. So this is no like a safety, this will be dismounted later on. Just, I don't know, this is my idea, so I wanna do this. So right now I measure, it have to be in plus minus this position. I already disconnect this because it was too high. You know, car floor is a different story than here, and from what I measure, it have to go down at least like a 25 mil. So I have to rework about this steel metal work, alter all this stuff to going down and make it lighter. As I told you earlier, it's not without safety belt, this is just sitting bench, so don't have to be so like rigid, so strong, etc. I just want to use this. And of course I made mistake, because I should buy offside, not near side. Happen, I don't think about it when I buying it, but it's cost me something like a 90 quid, not cheap but also not expensive. I take a look how to do it. Probably I will chop it here just on this weld, because I measure here is a, in this place is a 25 mil, so probably I will chop it here and weld from the sides 25 by 25 section and attach this section somehow from here to here. Okay, and remove all this necessary stuff like springs or something, like heavy springs or something, make it lighter. Okay. Right now we have something like that. It was some fiddling because one thing what I did, I told earlier, but second thing, the the mounts are not like a symmetric, are like they're offset on them, so I have kind of, and of course I made mistake, I cut this too short, so I have to unfortunately add something on the back. Stupid, but is as is. More or less it should look like that. Of course I have to finish this side like usually. In my case everything is nearly ready but not ready, but it works. It means like you can sit it on it, and of course everything will be disassembled for a moment when I fit the truma. And here we have 4 bolts. With these 4 bolts, they are inside unfortunately, because outside I wanna fit kind of armrest or like a just storage, so I decided to make these bolts from inside. I think it was stupidity because access is not perfect, but to tell the truth, everything can be done disassembling quite quickly. So this is cover. Here we also make kind of storage. Right now I wanna make this. Maybe I have to rework this because it's a bit stick out this here, and should be like a flush with the frame, to tell the truth. I don't know, to tell the truth, how it should look. So because what I wanna make right now, I wanna make this board which will cover this side, and it will be this kind of board. So I don't know, I don't know if it have to come up to here or up to here, like a flush with it. I think the better will be if it will be flush with this, so it means I have to trim it. For this reason I don't like, finishing everything and screwing, because later on you have to, and it will go up to this point. So we have kind of storage here. It means like a storage, but without like a falling stuff on the floor, because we have like a bit of upstand, and we of course cover everything here. It should be a bit angled, what I think, up to here, and or even a bit higher. No, if it be a bit higher, it means it will be a problem if you wanna sit across. So like that. Strange, I don't know. I think up to here. Or not. Okay, a break. I cannot I cannot like make a smaller radius because later on will be problem with edging, so it's as is. It's as is. So we have this cover. Just right now we have to fit kind of mesh here in this hole. Looks okay. Looks okay, but to tell the truth, I expect so it will be like a half 5 mil higher. I don't know how come I expect it, because I measure and the perfect like height according to the measurements, but I imagine so it will be a bit higher, so I can cover this hole with something. Right now is okay, but this panel is done. Top cover, front panel, some trimming will be necessary, but it will be after I fit the combi boiler, and looks good. For me looks good. And of course here I wanna prepare the cover with some thin ply with carpet, just to, you know, I don't wanna left this part have to stay no matter what. Inside is like a bracket, so I can screw it to this bracket, and here so we can make it works. And here probably I make a kind of not armrest, but like a compartment with cover, so it will be on the level of the seat, but we still have a place to keep something. I don't know yet. Okay,